Sup siblings, today I'll review a gun on Pixel Gun 3D, and the gun is another very powerful special gun. The name is Alligator UP2. The stats are lethality 23, fire rate 84, capacity 8, mobility 110, and it has single shots and area damage. Okay. I will be using adamant armor, full set, and my Superman skin. Let me see if we can upgrade the special thing. Nope, special here. Tremendously accelerates reloading time from special category. Tremendously accelerates the operating time of all geared tools. Okay, let's use this. Now the boots. Tremendously increases the cartridge supply for weapons in a special category. Tremendously accelerates movements with weapons from the special category. Okay, let's use these. The engineer set. Okay guys, we're ready to go. Let's find a match right here. Find a match. Also, tell me in the comments if you want me to do deathmatch. Okay? This weapon is good for short to medium range. So maybe not knife, sniper, no. Factory will do. Okay, factory will do. Sorry guys for the background noise. It's an airplane passing by. So yeah, let's go to team 1. Okay, let's equip this. Oh, cool. By the way guys, if you didn't know, it takes about 4 shots to kill an adamant armored player like me. Look, that guy had some damage, of course. So yeah, look, I'm gonna show you proof. 1, 2, what? Okay, restart. That was such a fail. Okay, look, I'm full. Look at my armor, it's full. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yup, see guys? And yeah, it's very powerful, guys. I think it costs gems. You should check on it. I'll give you a shout out. Tell me first in the comments, then I'll give you a shout out. So it's an overall good weapon. Should use it, guys. Okay, let me kill this guy. Oops, lag. Oh god, the lag though. Sorry guys for the bad gameplay. Look how much damage it does. The sword. Oh! Yeah. 1, 2. Okay, I know it will take 3 shots to kill that guy. Okay, let's kill Thor. Yes! Nice shot. Yup, there. Good kills, no lag. Thank you, PG 3D. No lag. Okay, the reload time is medium, not so long, not so short. Okay. Oops, I didn't know there was a jetpack. Oh my god! This thing! Good engineer set. You also can use it for long range, guys. Guys, I hate when people spam the Minecraft. Like, one spammer. You suck, Lord. Took like 4 shots to kill him. Okay, let me kill myself. Okay guys, I think I should start my outro here. Sorry for not doing long videos because I can't really upload long videos. Maybe in the future. If we have more subscribers, I'll be more high-tech. Okay, bye guys. Peace out. Wait, let me get one last kill here. Come on, one last kill. One last kill. Come on. Kill this guy. James Nelson. Oh God, don't let him kill me. Yes. Okay, go on, let's kill. Bye guys. Peace.